I dared to do something scary. Welcome to Thursday. I dared to do something scary. I live in Thailand, but I am born in New Zealand. That is why I'm called Kiwi who lives in New Zealand, Thailand. I dared to do something scary. I cooked without triggering the fire alarm. Not that there actually are any fire alarms, it's probably why it didn't go off. I did this navigation through flames and smoke that did not actually happen, but it did because we were cooking on the open stove. So no firefighters had to come and visit. It's a reminder of life's excitement often lies between our comfort zone. It's even in the kitchen, experimenting, trying something new. Is this going to work? Is it not? Here's to the thrill, the attempt, and the stories that we'll tell after. Try something new. Do not limit yourself. Do not hold yourself back. Do not be scared. Don't forget to like and follow down at the button. It helps us a lot. Send us a message and I will follow yours and like yours. This is Kiwi living in Thai, and always remember the choice is yours.